Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 4 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Precision is key for a perfect custard, so measure everything carefully. Using whole milk ensures a wonderfully rich and creamy texture, making your homemade custard truly delightful. Next, we'll gently heat our milk. Pour 2 cups of whole milk into a saucepan and warm it over medium heat until it just begins to simmer, but do not boil. While the milk heats, whisk together 4 egg yolks and 1/2 cup of sugar in a separate bowl until light and creamy. Slowly pour about 1/2 cup of the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. This crucial tempering step prevents the eggs from scrambling. Now pour the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining warm milk. Continue to cook this over low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula. This constant stirring is vital to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. The custard will gradually thicken. It's ready when it coats the back of your spoon, leaving a clear path when you run your finger across it. Do not let it boil, as this can cause curdling. Once your custard has thickened, remove it immediately from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. For an incredibly silky smooth texture, strain the warm custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface. Finally, chill your delicious homemade custard in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until cold before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.